Hello, Clark team. The next item that we are going to cover in this series of training videos is how to edit and add to the books that show up here and get them all to filter by these different categories. So come here to the back end of the site. It always starts on dashboard when you get logged in, so we're just going to come down in our list of items here, not flip books, but books right here. So come and click on that. You can see a list of everything that is on the site. Again, we can see that there's pages of these items. It might not be defaulted. I think it's when you first get logged in, it's going to be defaulted to showing you by the publish date, so it's going to be not alphabetical order, but again, you can always reorder those by clicking on the column header here. And if it's not showing you very many at a time and you want to see more, of course, as we discussed before, you can up the number of items that show here at one time. And of course, you can always just use the search function to find it directly if you need to edit an existing book. So just click on the name of one to update it. Sometimes this Yoast thing, which is the SEO plugin, will show at the top. So to get that out of your way, and again, once you do this one time, it will always be like that. You can collapse it. You can also just drag it further down here like I showed you with the dashboard. And then you won't have to do this ever again once you've set it up for your user. So now that will be at the top, whether you open that or close that. So in any case, there are just a few fields for getting one of these edited. So there's the book title, which goes right here, the author, which goes right here. This is where the book image goes. So if you needed to swap this out, you would just hit the X here, and you would say add image. It's going to take you to the library. Obviously, if you're adding a new image, it's not going to be in here, so you would just come right here to upload files. You would hit select. You would browse to whatever it is you might need and click on it. I don't want to add these again because they're already in there. It would show up, and then you would say select the file to replace that. Then over here on the side, you get to select what age groups and what categories the book shows up for. So you can select multiples. As you can see here, A Cool Drink of Water is selected for both preschool and elementary school, which means that it shows up here in elementary, and also if we go to preschool, it's also going to show up in this list. But of course, if we go to middle school, it will not be there. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. And see, I've removed this image, but since I haven't hit update yet, it's not saving that. So I'm just going to hit refresh here. See, it's telling me my changes won't be saved, which I don't want it to save them. So there's our image back again. So really all you need to do is title, author, image, age groups, and book categories to get these to work. That's editing one. Obviously, if you need to add one, you just come right up here and hit add new, and you will be presented with a blank version of the form we were just looking at. Same fields to fill out, and that will add a new item for you. I think that is it for adding new books to the resources area of the site. Thanks.